Now, ever since I got more involved in the menswear space, I've come across some good quotes shared on social media, such as, "Style is a way to say who you are without having to speak," Rachel Zoe, or "Dressing well is a form of good manners," Tom Ford. But there's one quote that left me scratching my head, and I brushed it off as a stupid one that made zero sense, and it is, "Women view men in suits like men view women in lingerie." Now, my initial reaction to this quote was, how is a fully dressed up man viewed the same as a woman that is just wearing lingerie? Well, after sitting on it for a while and finding some inspiration to make a video about it, here is my interpretation of this quote. To put it simply, it all comes down to the ideal body shape both genders are attracted to. A heterosexual man depends on visual cues such as youth, skin, symmetrical features, as well as the hourglass body shape. I'll show a 3D illustration from a 2012 study that shows a comparison of the ideal body created by men versus an average body of a young woman that, you can see is not too far off. Now for women, their ideal body shape for a man is broad shoulders with a narrow waist. This is often referred to as a V-taper. And I'll show the 3D illustration for the man. As you can see, not too far off from the ideal body woman created compared to the average male body. Now, bringing this all back to that one quote, do you now understand why women view men in suits like men view women in lingerie? Well, the answer is that the design and shape of the suit accentuates or builds the ideal body shape of a man. Think about it, the lapels of a suit start near the top of the chest or shoulders, and they taper down, making our waist appear more narrow and our shoulders broader. Not to mention that, padding on the shoulders could also help build the ideal body shape women are attracted to as well. Now, as for women wearing lingerie, same thing. It accentuates the ideal body men are attracted to. This is why, corsets are so popular, because it helps give that hourglass body shape. Now, to really run this point home, I kind of want to do an experiment here and have you answer it for yourself. Let's look at Billie Eilish here. Which of these two outfits do you happen to find her the most attractive? Do you happen to find her more attractive in, her signature baggy clothes, or her wearing, lingerie? Now let's switch it up a bit. How about Rihanna in a men's suit versus lingerie? Now what about a dude wearing lingerie? I'm just kidding, but I'm sure you guys get my point here. But anyways, there are other narratives as well as the suit regarding, status, wealth, and power. But I really wanted to focus on the visual aspect as a quote implied. But I would really love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. Returning subs, please make sure to give this video a like as well. It really helps my channel out, and it really motivates me to really keep this channel going. All right, guys. More new content to come, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.